What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to change the front side marker light bulb in a 2014 and newer Chevy Impala. And here's the light bulb, this one, right here. First, pull the hood latch release lever to release the hood. Then, open the hood to access the light bulbs. I'll show both sides, but let's start with the side marker bulb location on the right side. This dome cap is the headlight bulb, and this red and black wire go to the side marker bulb. They run under the headlight to the other side, and the side marker bulb is back here, where my camera cannot access from this angle. Now, let's spin around the perspective 180 degrees, like we're sitting in the car looking forward, for a better view of the light bulb. Here's the headlight bulb location, and we'll back up and peek through here. Here are the side marker bulb wires coming under and around the side of the headlight, and here is the light bulb. It's not easy to get to, but there it is. Now you've seen it. Now let's head over to the left side and actually change the light bulb. First, remove the washer filler neck by pulling it straight up and out. This will allow more room to change the light bulb. Now we have the same arrangement. Here is the headlight bulb housing and the two side marker wires that travel underneath it and around to the other side. The side marker bulb is buried back here where I cannot access it with the camera. Stuff your hand in and follow the wires with your fingers to the light bulb socket. When you find it, rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise to remove it from the housing. And here is the new replacement bulb, number 194. Pull the old bulb straight out of the socket. Then push the new bulb straight into the socket and stuff it back in there. Insert it into the housing with the wires pointing up. Then rotate it 90 degrees clockwise to reinstall it. The end result will be the wires pointing to the center of the car. If you're doing the other side, insert it with the wires pointing down. Then rotate it 90 degrees to reinstall it, and the end result will be the wires pointing towards the center of the car. There is very limited access, and it took me several minutes to rotate the plug. It was rough, so be prepared for a battle. Hopefully this is easier for you than it was for me, and it should be easier with smaller hands. Maybe you can find a little baby who's good with cars to stuff their little hands in there. If not, you'll eventually get it. But here's the tip, you can gain a little more room if you remove the cover for the headlight bulb. But now the job is complete. Reinstall the washer fluid filler neck. Then button it up and go check out your work, and be impressed with how amazing the new light bulb looks. So that wraps up this video. I hope you found it helpful. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.